brides to be a dare to be different. I'm here with order 328 for one of our beautiful brides in South Australia. The bride is getting married on a dairy farm. So a lot of brides ask me, how do you design for brides interstate? I've been following your page for a while, etc. Look, most of my clients are interstate, to be honest. I send down fabric boards. I do the measurements by FaceTime. So unlike a bridal store, which only do the bust, the waist and the hips, and whatever size you're biggest in that, they'll order it in. They won't customise length. We customise all our measurements. Brides select their own fabrics. They're sent a sketch and photos and videos of their dream dress getting made from start to finish. So we are a custom bridal store in that sense. So here you have it. Order 328. Love in Gold Florals, I think I'll call it. Yes, it's a corny name, but we've got 124 brides. And I'm just like, more names. Have to come up with more names. So there you have it. Order 328 with matching veil. Thanks, ladies.